On this short video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok CapCut template not showing. So first thing you wanna do guys, the first way is go to the settings, go to the apps manager, and after you go into the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find TikTok. Click on it and click on the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into the Play Store and go to the search bar, search for TikTok and click update, and then go back to the search again, but this time you have to search for CapCut and make sure to install it in your phone. The third way and last one is you have to remove TikTok and reinstall it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.